we guide you through how to fix Samsung not charging. First, check your charging cable and adapter for any damage. Then try using different charger or power outlet to make sure the issue is not with your accessories. Next, inspect your charging port and remove any dust or debris that may be blocking the connection. Use a soft brush or compress air carefully to clean it. If your Samsung phone still does not charge, restart your device and try charging it again. You can also check for software updates by going to Settings, Software Update, and installing any available updates. If your phone shows moisture detected, let the charging port dry completely before plugging it in. Another solution is to test your phone in safe mode to check if a third-party app is causing charging problems. If none of these methods work, try resetting your device setting or contact Samsung support for professional assistance.